So now, as the next question now, that is the exercise 2.2, question number 3. Okay. So here, exercise 2.2, and here question number 3. Okay. So now in question number 3, what's asking here? That is the from the following information of a sample of 6 students of a school regarding their marks in 2 subjects, accountancy and statistics. Okay. Find the correlation of find the coefficient of correlations between the marks of 2 subjects. Okay. So here marks of accountancy is given and marks of statistics is given. Okay. So record here that is your XI. First one that is a 60. So marks of accountancy first that's 60. Second one 80, then 50, then 80, then 95, then 40, then 70 70, 40 40, 35 35, 90 90. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 observations here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 observations here. Okay. So now go for that is a Y for statistics. So that is the first one that is 50, 50, 75 75, 60 60, 85 85, 90 90. Are 90 90. Next one that is 40 40. Next one is 65 65, 30 30, 45 45, 70 70. Okay. So now total of your xi that is a 60 plus 80 plus 50 plus 8080 plus 9595 plus 4040 plus 7070 plus 7070. Next one 4050 3535 and 9090. Okay. So total is here how much? That is a 640. Okay. So 60 plus 80 is 0. Next one that is a 5050. Next one 8080. Next one 9595. 4040. 7070. 4040. 3535. 9090. Okay. So total is 640. So first of all, find your x bar. Okay. So x bar is equal to that is the sigma xi upon n. Okay. So 640 divided by 10. Your value is that is the 64. Okay. So your x bar is 64. So next value, put the value here that is the x minus x bar. So value of x bar is received that is 64. Put the value here 64. Okay. So next one that is the value of y that is 15 plus 75 plus 60 60, 85 85. Next one 90 90. Next one 40 40. Next one 65 65. 30 30. 45 45. 70 70. Okay, so 610 is the total here. Okay, 610 is the total. Okay, now find here x bar, y bar. Okay, so y bar is that is a sigma y upon n, that is a 610 divided by 10. So your value is 61. Okay, so value is 61. So let's check the value for next time. That is 50 plus 75 plus 60 plus 85 plus 9090 plus 4040 plus 6565 3030 4545 7070. So answer is 610 divided by 10 is 61. So your next step, put the value that is a y minus y bar. Okay. So your value of y bar that is a 61 is given here. Okay. 61 is given here. So here x minus x bar value is 64. So 60 minus 64 that is a minus 4. Okay. Next one that is a 80 minus 64. 80 minus 64 value is that is a 16. Okay. Next value is 16. Now 50 minus 64 that is a 50 minus 64 value is that is a minus 40. Okay. Now 80 minus 64 next value that is a 80 minus 64 value is that is a 16. Okay, put the value here 16. Now next one that is a 95 minus 64. So 95 minus 64. हाँ हाँ बोलो. हाँ बोलो क्या था. हेलो क्या हुआ? हेलो, हाँ, हेलो, क्या हुआ? हाँ, क्या हुआ? ब्लर आ रहा है? ओके 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 सो थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत इशू होगा बट यू पीपल अंडरस्टैंड ओके व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन ओके so that is a 95 next one 95 minus 64 that is a 31 now next one that is a 40 minus 64 that is a 4040 minus 6464 value is that is a minus 24 so put the value here minus 24 now 70 minus 64 that is the value is 6 okay 70 minus 64 value is 6 okay next one that is a 40 minus 64 so 4040 minus 64 value is that is a minus 24 okay minus 24 now 35 minus 64 35 minus 64 value is that is a minus 29 next one that is a 90 minus 64 value is that is a 26 okay so here is a minus value because 60 minus 64 here 50 is that's why minus value okay so next one that is a y minus y bar okay so answer must be 0 because here is 64 okay so now check the value what is the value of minus value give me answer students what is the value here for minus value what is the total of this Prashant give me the answer hello हाँ ये नहीं दिख रहा है अभी ये नहीं दिख रहा है अभी ओके 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 चलो स्टार्ट नाउ व्हाट इज आंसर हियर गिव मी टोटल फर्स्ट गिव मी टोटल so 4 plus 14 plus 24 plus 24 plus 29 okay total is here 95 okay so minus 95 answer is minus 95 now plus value that is a 16 16 plus 16 plus 31 plus 6 plus 26 value is 95 okay so answer is 0 okay यहाँ पे 0 आना ही चाहिए because here x minus x bar is that is a 0 आना ही चाहिए क्यों because here x bar is 64 okay so that is in round value not in decimal value if there is a decimal value then answer यहाँ पे जो change हो जाएगा okay so यहाँ पे x minus x bar जो है वो आपका 0 आ ही गया okay so हाँ जब भी आप यस यस यहाँ पे डेसिमल में नहीं आ रहा है ओके और एक्स बार इज नॉट इन डेसिमल ओके तो यहाँ पे 0 ही आएगा ओके और वाई बार में देखो वाई बार में भी क्या 0 आना चाहिए बिकॉज योर वाई बार दैट इज 61 ओके तो डेसिमल में नहीं है ओके सो व्हेन द आंसर इज नॉट डेसिमल द आंसर जो डेसिमल में होगा देन वाई माइनस वाई बार यहाँ पे 0 नहीं होगा ओके यहाँ पे क्या है आपका 61 जो है राउंड फिगर है दैट्स व्हाई आंसर मस्ट बी दैट इज इन अ 0 okay so now we start that is here y minus y bar so here 50 minus 61 that is a minus 11 okay now 70 75 minus 61 that is the value is 14 okay now here 60 minus 61 that is a minus 1 85 minus 61 85 minus 61 so value is 24 here so put the value here 24 now next one that is here 90 minus 61 90 minus 61 here value is 29 okay? Value is 29 next one 40 minus 61 40 minus 61 here value is minus 20 okay? Minus 20 65 minus 61 65 minus 61 that is a 4 next one 30 minus 30, 61 30 minus 61 that is a minus 31 okay so next one that is a 45 45 minus 61 value is that is a minus 60 okay you know minus 16 होगा and 17 minus 61 that is a 0.9 okay. So it's 9 okay. So not the 09 okay. So ये 70 minus 16 क्या होगा 9 होगा. So इसका भी आंसर क्या आना चाहिए 0 ही आना चाहिए. Let's see okay. So 11 plus next one 1 plus next one 21 plus 31 plus 16 okay. Okay, very good. So here 80 is minus value, okay. Now what is the plus value? Let's see. So 14 plus 24 plus 29 plus 4 plus 9 that is 80, okay. So answer क्या आएगा 0 आ जाएगा, okay. Now second step that is here x minus x bar whole square and here y minus y bar whole square. Next one that is x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar, okay. So here go through the 16, okay, put the value here 16. Next one 16 16 16 multiplied by 16 that is 256, okay, value is 256, okay. Now 14 multiplied by 14 that is the value is 196, okay. 14 into 14 okay, okay, दो मिनट इसको पहले लिख देता हूँ मैं 196 कहाँ पे इस साइड ऐसा okay, 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 okay. So now next one that is a 16 16 to 56, okay. 16 multiplied by 16 that is a 256, okay. Next one 31 into 31 31 multiplied by 31 value is 961, okay. Value is 961. Now 24 into 24 24 multiplied by 24 value is 576, value is 576. Now 6 6 are 36, okay. Now 24 into 24 24 multiplied by 24 value is 576, okay. Value is 576. Now 29 into 29 29 multiplied by 29 value is 841, okay. So put the value here 841. Next one 26 multiplied by 26 here value is 676, value is 676, okay. Next one that is a 11 into 11, okay, that is 121, okay. 14 into 14, next one 14 multiplied by 14 that is 196, okay. 1 into 1 that is 1, 24 into 24 24 into 24 that is a 576, 576. Now 29 into 29 we already find here that is 841, here 841. 21 into 21 that is a 421 something, okay. 21 into 21 that is a 441, okay. 4 into 4 16. 31 into 31 that is the 31 multiplied by 31 value is that is a 961, okay. Put the value here 961, okay. Next one that is a 16 into 16 that is the 16 into 16 value is 256 256 9 9 is 81. Now do total of this both the value x minus x minus y कितना हो रहा है टोटल इसका. चलो एक बोलो फटाफट आंसर किसका 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 x minus x 4390, okay. And here y minus y bar and even next what is the next y minus y bar whole square next value देखो अभी दिख रहा है अभी 121 196 1 1 इसके बाद 576 मैं बोल रहा हूँ 576 841 next 441 next 1616 next 961 256 and 81, okay. कितना होगा 3490, क्या होगा आपका टोटल 3490. Now multiply this both the value here this into this, okay. So 11 4s are 44, so minus minus will be plus, okay. 11 4s are 44 minus minus will be plus. Then 16 into 14 16 multiplied by 14 value is 224 224, okay. 224. Next value that is a 14 into 4 that is a 14 here. Next one हाँ बोलो हाँ बोलो कुछ पूछना है आपको So next one, that is a 16 multiplied by 24. कितना आ रहा है 384. So put the value here 384. Okay, हाँ बोलो. हेलो, हाँ बोलो बोलो क्या था. हेलो, हाँ बोलो बोलो. हेलो, हेलो, हाँ बोलो. So 29 to 31, that is the 899. आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है बेटा, आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. 24 into 21, 504. Okay, 6 4 जा 24. हाँ बोलो. हाँ क्या क्या हो रहा है. सर नॉट अवेलेबल टू कनेक्ट इन मीटिंग. कौन है ये. 12 का है. मैं
ज्योति 11
11 का इनका है. मैं मेरा नहीं है.
है, ये कनेक्ट नहीं हो रही. कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा. मैं बैठी लिखो नेट प्रॉब्लम. ये मैं बैठी बोल रही थी अभी तक चल रहा था. बंद हो.
So next value, that is a 6 4 are 24. Okay, now 24 into 31. 24 multiplied by 31. 744. 744. Okay, 31 into 24, that is the 744 minus mass will be plus. Now here next one, that is a 29 multiplied by 16. Value is 464. Value is 464. Okay, next one, that is a 26 into 9. 26 multiplied by 9, here value is 234. Okay, value is 234. So minus will be, sorry, plus will be plus. Okay, so here minus that is a plus. Okay, so इसकी जो साइन है वो या ध्यान रखना बेटा कि एक भी जो साइन यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस हो गया तो पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट इज द टोटल ऑफ दिस x माइनस x बार y माइनस y बार. स्टूडेंट्स गिव मी द आंसर. हेलो, व्हाट इज द आंसर हियर. व्हाट इज द आंसर हियर.
Because of you others are having problems. So mute yourself and Arya.
So here next one, that is a 44 plus 224. विशु व्हाट इज द टोटल. हाँ वेरी गुड. क्या कितना टोटल इसका.
આપણે
हाँ
3 જગ્યાએ લઈએ છે. ત્યાં કાદમ્બરી મેમ નીતા મેમ લે છે. 5 ની તો જોબ છે થવાનું છે.
हाँ हेलो. ओके ओके, अभी दिख रहा है. अभी 384. नेक्स्ट वन 899. ओके चलो मैं कर देता हूँ. ओके 504 देन 24. नेक्स्ट वन 744. नेक्स्ट वन 464. नेक्स्ट वन 234. सो ये टोटल इज दैट इज हियर 3535. ओके क्या आ रहा है 3535. ओके वैल्यू इज अभी दिख रहा है. अभी सो क्या दिख रहा है अभी आपको 3535.
इस तरह से रहेगा तो फिर बच्चे बेचारा सीरियस कैसे वीडियो बना के भेजना.
क्या हुआ. हेलो हेलो,
रोज 10 मिनट तो ऐसे ही
क्या हुआ अभी. क्या हुआ. हाँ व्हाट इज टोटल हियर.
मंडे से मैं
गिव मी द आंसर.
बट यही
हेलो
प्रॉब्लम है तो टीम में वही होगा.
हेलो व्हाट इज टोटल हियर.
हाँ अगर नेट का प्रॉब्लम है तो चाहे टीम को चाहे Zoom
हाँ बोलो बोलो फटाफट बोलो. हाँ
स्टूडेंट्स
हाँ वो एक्चुअली वो आज क्लाउड है ना तो थोड़ा बहुत तो रहेगा डिस्टर्बेंस. ओके
आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू दैट प्लीज डोंट पैनिक आउट. मैंने कल भी बोला था 5 मिनट
वो आपका भी ऐसा ही आ रहा है भाई.
5 मिनट वेट करो. कभी कभी नेट इशू हो
ओके
जाता है तो ऐसे टाइम पे 5 मिनट रुक जाने का. एंड आफ्टर
तो
दैट
हाँ तो बोलो आंसर बोलो अभी. चलो तेरा तेरा आवाज बराबर आ रहा है, आंसर बोले चलो भाई फटाफट. व्हाट इज आंसर हियर? व्हाट इज आंसर हियर?
We will try our best. अगर कहीं ऐसा होता है कि आज lecture बिल्कुल नहीं
हाँ,
हुआ है, we will try to do
हेलो, व्हाट इज आंसर हियर?
so. अगर बिल्कुल lecture नहीं हो पाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा
Okay, chalo now put the formula here. That is R equals to. What is formula here? R equals to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by under root sigma x minus x bar whole square multiplied by under root sigma y minus y bar whole square. Okay. So now here 3535 is the total of this sigma x minus x bar minus y bar. Okay. Now here under root. Okay. Under root, that is a 4390 multiplied by under root 3490. Okay. So here value is, that is a 3535. Now divided by, that is the 4390. 4390 इसका रूट निकालो कितना होगा, that is the 66.257. Okay, multiply by, that is a 3490. Total is 3490. इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है, that is a 59.076. Okay, now multiply this value here. So 3535 divided by, now this multiply by this, that is a 66.257. 257. Here value is, that is the 3914
वजह से क्या होता है कि आपको पता चलता है कि आप फ्यूचर में किस तरह से अपने बिजनेस को आगे लेके जाएंगे, कि आप नए प्रोडक्ट्स एक्सपांड कर पाओगे, नए आप और कंपनीज या और शोरूम्स या और ऑफिस खोल पाओगे. ये सारी चीजें कैसे पता चलती है, समझ नहीं आता और इतना ज़्यादा बिजनेस का एग्जिस्टेंस इट इज बेस्ड ऑन question how you understand जैसे आपको दो चार स्टेटमेंट
Yes, very good. Back, okay. हाँ हाँ हेलो. हाँ हाँ, मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है अभी? हाँ, कंफर्म. ओके, आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी?
Now the second objective
हाँ.
is exchange of goods and
3535 divided by 3914. Okay, so here value is, that is a 0.903168. Okay, so your value is 0.90. Okay, value is 0.90. So here question number 3 is finished. Okay, question number 3 is finished. Now we go for question number 4. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे जाएंगे. ओके, बराबर. भाई देखो, मैं आपको इसकी वीडियो भी भेज रहा हूँ, तो क्या आपको डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी? ओके, आज नेट का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, बट इसका मैं आपको वीडियो भी भेज रहा हूँ, तो आपको इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आपको और क्या दिखा मैंने. ओके ओके ओके. So now next one, that is question number 4 now. To check the ability of mathematics and logic of the student of a city, a private education institutes give 20 puzzles based on these two subjects to 6 children select from various schools. The number of puzzles solved by them is given below. So in this case, number of puzzles solved based on mathematics is given. That is a value of x. Number of puzzle based on logic, that is a y. Okay. So here x and y is given here. So here 12, 8, 9, 10, 8, 11. Okay. Compute the college coefficient between the performance of children in a two types of puzzles using the given data. Okay. So next one that is a 11, next one 10, next one 4, next one 7, next one 13, and 16. Okay. Now first of all, find the sigma. Sigma means total. Okay. So here 12 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 11. Okay, so your value is that is a 85 58. Okay, value is 58. Next one that is a 11. Okay, plus 10 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 प्लस 16. ओके, कितना हुआ 61 हुआ. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो आपको डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपको एक्स बार वाई बार फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप डायरेक्टली इसका वैल्यू रख के आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो बिकॉज हियर वैल्यू इज स्मॉल. ओके, बड़ी वैल्यूज नहीं है. If the value is more big, okay, example 67, 95, and 196, okay, in that case you have to find first of all that is x bar and y bar. Okay, but here the value is small, so you can solve directly. Okay, so direct method, according to direct method you can solve it. Okay, so we are using here that is the direct method. Okay, so here first of all we here find x square, after that y square, and after that xy. Okay, so here x square 12 values are 144, so put the value here 144. 8 8 just 64, put the value 64. 9 9 is 81, 10 10 is 100, 8 8 just 64, 11 into 11, that is 121. Okay, now y square. Okay, 11 11 are 121, 10 10 is 100, 4 4 is 16, 7 7 is 49, 13 13 is 169, 16 16 is that is 16 multiplied by 16, value is 256. Okay, value is 256. Okay, next one you have to find here xy. Okay, 12 into 11, 12 multiplied by 11, value is that is a 132. Okay, value is 132. Now 8 times are 18, so put the value here 18. 9 4s are 36, and put the value here at 36. 10 7 are 70, 7 0 70. Then 8 multiplied by 13, so value is 104. Okay, value is 104. Next one 11 multiplied by 16. Okay, so value is 176. Okay, value is 176. So now first of all find out the value of that is a x square and y square, and after that the sigma of xy. Okay, so here first one that is 144 plus 64 plus 81 plus 100 plus 64 plus 121. Your value is that is a 574. So value is 574. Okay, next one that is a 121 plus 100 plus 16 plus 49 plus 169. Okay, plus 256. Your value is that is a 711. Okay, next one that is a 132 plus 80. Okay, next one that is 36. Next one that is a 7070. Next one 104. Next one 176. So value is that is a 598. So here we are using the direct method. Okay, so in direct method the formula of R will be changed now. So R is equal to n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y. Okay, then in denominator that is the under root n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Okay, multiply by that is n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay, so here n, that is the value of n. How much value of n? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, put the value here 6. Sigma xy, that is a 598 minus sigma x, that is 58, multiply by sigma y, that is a 61. Okay, so now under the value here, so 6 into sigma x square कितना होगा 574 minus 58 whole square. Okay, next one that is a n into that is a 6 into sigma y square 711 minus sigma y whole square. Okay, so that is a 61 whole square. 61 whole square. Okay, so here that is a 598 multiplied by 6. Okay, value is that is a 3588. Okay, Next one, that is a 58 multiplied by 61. Okay, 61 value is, that is a value is 3538. Okay, value is 3538. So in denominator 6 multiplied by 574. 574 value is, that is a 3444 minus 58 whole square multiplied by 58 whole square value is, that is a 3364. Okay, so now multiply by, that is a 6 into 77711. 6 multiplied by 711. So your value is, that is a 4266 and 61 square. Okay, multiply by 61 square, that is a, here value is 3721. Okay, so now next one step, that is a 3588 minus 3538 value is 50 here. Okay, value is 50. In this case, in denominator, that is a 3444 minus, that is a 3364. Okay, so value is 80. Now we find the value root of 80. So here value is 8.944 multiplied by here. Next value, that is a 4266. Okay, minus 3721. So value is, that is a 545. So here root of that, that is a 23.345. Okay, so value is, that is 23.345. Okay, now if we multiply this denominator value, what is the answer here? That is a 8.944. Value will be here, that is a 208799. Oh, sorry, something is missing in calculator. Okay, so here 50 in denominator value is, that is a 8.944 multiplied by 23 point, that is a 345. Here value is, that is a 208.79768. Okay, so here if we divide the value, that is a 50 divided by 208.79768. Value is, that is a 0.23946. So final value 0.24, because we add here one value, so answer is 0.24. Okay, so your question number 4 is finished. Okay, so next question, that is a question number 5. Okay, so in question number 5, so we discuss only question number 5. Okay, because only that 4 minutes is left, so we are not able to solve this whole question. So today we discuss only question number 5, and from tomorrow we start the question number 5. Okay, so what is given in question number 5? Find the correlation coefficient between capital in crores into base is given, invested, and the profit in crores from the following data. Okay, so here capital investment is given and profit in crores is given. Okay, so investment and profit. Okay, that is a, you have to find correlations between capital investment and profit. Okay, in question number 5. Okay, so find relations between capital investment and profit. Okay, in question number 5. Next one, in question number 6. Okay, so only 2 minutes left, so we discuss this only questions. Okay, because here only 2 minutes is left. That's all. Okay, so next value, that is question number 6. Okay, that we continue on Monday. Okay, so I'm sending this video of the same sum. Okay, in our group. Okay, see you. Bye all of you. Okay,
Objective, aim, motive, purpose, goal.
see you. Bye all of you.
पांचों का मतलब same.
Okay, see you. Bye. And suppose if there is any problem, ask me. Okay,
So
one by one.
I assume till the third
आपको जो भी
point,
प्रॉब्लम है,
clear?
सो आज